so I'm back with my final review for today, and this is one of the HD Melton lace front wigs by Main Concept Red Carpet, and she is called RCHM201 MILENA. I have her in the color Sweet Haze, and I reviewed the RCHM202 yesterday, I believe. So yeah, this is a 201. She's really pretty. Loving the long colorful hair. Now look at this. Look at this. You guys can see all the colors mixed in there. She reminds me of the Ben that I reviewed. I think it was last week or week before I reviewed Ben. You remember the bob with all the colors? Similar to this, you know. Yeah, that's what it reminds me of. But anyway, like I said, this color is Sweet Haze. Now if you want to purchase her in a different color, it comes in other colors. The link will be, the list will be just down below in the description box. The link as well, in case you want to purchase it, will be down below. So you can get this in your plain 1 and 1B, number 2, you know, stuff like that. It has MOONHAZE as well, so that's a different shade of this. And then like, you get your 1B30, you know, 1B burgundy, 427, stuff like that. So you can always get any different color you want. But yeah, I will link it down below so you can check it out. But this is what the stock card looks like, and it does not say how much heat it can take. It says that it's made out of retriever fiber, so you can add heat to it, but it doesn't say up to how much, so keep that in mind. Just keep your flat iron or your any tool that you're going to use, keep it on the, I would say on the 350 and lower. Don't go more than that, because you just never know if it's going to burn out or anything like that. And I did use a little bit of heat, not even a lot. It was just like a tap up here, just to, it was already flat. I don't know why I used heat, but I did. But regardless, it didn't burn. It was pretty good. My heat is at, I think, 350 or 360, and yeah, it was pretty good. Now this is an HD melting lace, like I mentioned earlier. Now with the HD lace, you know, it looks a little bit whiter, so I would use my lace tint spray by EBIN New York, but I didn't use it this time. This time I just added powder to it, and I'm pretty sure you guys can see the difference. Like, it's way lighter than when I use the lace tint spray. I think the spray helps it blend in a little bit more. If I were to use like a cream concealer, I think that would help it as well, but normally I just use powder, so it's a little bit, you know, harder to blend it in. But regardless, it still looks cute. I don't know what's gonna go on with this one, if I'm gonna make this into a giveaway or not, I'm not sure. But yeah, it has a very light yaki hair texture. In terms of the cap, it's a regular cap construction. You get two combs up front, sorry, one at the back and the adjustable straps. And yeah, like I said, it's a regular cap construction, very breathable. Now I'm surprised that I didn't get a lot of shedding from this when I was brushing it out. It's very soft, has a light yaki hair texture. I didn't get any tangling or any snags either, so I'm really happy about that. But this is pretty much it. Let me know what you think about this hair down below. Let me know if you're into the color. I'm really into the color. I mean, not every day I would go for something like this. I wouldn't normally just walk in and just pick up something like this. Normally I would just head straight towards 1B, but it's actually pretty, and it's a nice little change. Although it has a lot of like black to it, that's good for those of you who are scared to go into color. I think this is a great way to start. But anyway guys, let me know what you think about this down below. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you want to purchase, the link will be in the description box down below, and I'll see you guys pretty soon. Bye.